welcome to my channel, or if you're new here, my name is Lynsee and this is my world. Today we are working on finalizing the app. We're in like the end stages and I'm super excited. It's gonna launch soon, and we're also gonna do a workout. So I'm gonna head to the gym right now, take my son to school first, but yeah, gotta get my workout done early in the morning just because I get it out of the way and then I don't have to worry about it the rest of the day. That's just how I am. Like, some people can work out later in the day. I'm not one of those people. Later in the day, I'm like, I don't want to go. So this way, I can get in there and get out. I think I'm going to do some glute isolation stuff. I like to do exercises that don't really require a lot of equipment at least 2 or 3 times a week, just to really isolate the glute area. So I'm going to show you an example of what I do to work the booty. Alright, so yeah, let's do this. So I just want to show you guys my outfit for the gym. My shoes are by Puma. And then these are Blue Body Brazil, Gymshark sports bra. I don't know if you can see it, it's kind of dark. And then this is just a like crop tank by Salty Mermaid, but it's really comfortable, loose. At the gym, and now I'm gonna head to this nutrition store here on the beach. They have like these really bomb protein brownies that are clutch, so let's go get some. How do I take all of them? I got the goods. Now let's head home. I'm always so excited when Enlightened sends me packages. Oh my gosh. So it says top secret ice cream. I think they launched a new flavor. We have French focus for me, please. French toast. Oh my god, that sounds so good. What's this one? S'mores. Yummy. OMG, glazed donut? What? Oh, yes. I am so excited for the... It's freezing! Movie night. What? What is that? Oh, I think it's like a chocolatey caramel popcorn flavor. Ah, it's so cold. I can't get this one. And this one is cookies and cream. Yum! Oh my gosh, I can't wait to try these. I'm actually gonna do a taste test for these, but I, of course, have to wait until Taejin gets home to do an ice cream taste test because he would be very mad if I tried the ice cream without him. So I'm gonna wait till he is done with school and then we'll do a big taste test. I can't wait. Okay, so because Enlightened sent me some ice cream and there's dry ice in here, I'm totally gonna be a big kid and play with it. What is this one? It says do not touch it with your hands. Too late, already did that. Oh my god, this is so cool. Yo, look at this. Alright guys, as I mentioned, I was waiting for Taejin to do like the ice cream tasting because I knew he was going to be mad at me if I did it alone without him. Okay, are you ready?
Yes.
Alright, so which one should we try first? This one is called Movie Night. I think it's supposed to be like caramel corn. Here, get your spoon. Ooh, it has like chunks of caramel and chocolate chips. Oops. Mmm. Mmm. Really good. Wow, that's really good. It legit tastes like caramel corn. Okay. We gotta try the others, man.
This one.
Okay, this one.
No, actually, I'm gonna save this one for last because it's so good. It looks so good.
This one is called French Toast.
French toast? Ooh.
Ooh, this one has like ribbons of caramel too, it looks like.
Mmm. All of these have caramel.
Whoa! How did they do that?
This seems really like strong.
Yeah, like packed with flavor. French toast ice cream with swirls of maple syrup.
Swirl?
What? That's good. Wow.
I'm gonna do that one.
Okay, this one is cookies and cream.
Whoa, it looks like an Oreo one. Ooh. And
Cookie Monster. Oh my gosh.
What?
This is good.
I know.
Cookies and cream was always my favorite flavor.
Me too.
This is so exciting.
But I think this one's gonna be better.
Okay, and this one is s'mores.
Mmm.
Whoa.
Whoa.
So it's supposed to be toasted marshmallow ice cream with graham crackers and swirls of chocolate.
I don't like this one a lot.
It's alright. I don't know if it necessarily tastes like s'mores though.
I think it's because we don't like s'mores a lot.
No, I just don't think it really tastes like s'mores. I don't know about that.
That doesn't taste good.
Okay, now we're gonna try glazed donut. We're both super Piped? What? We're both super pumped about this. Oh, it has sprinkles! Is that good?
Yes.
Whoa. Oh my gosh, that is really good. Okay, first, Taejin, you go. Which one do you think was the number one, the very best? Taejin thinks glazed
This
donut.
one, this one.
Oh, this is really tough.
You're gonna say cookies and cream.
I gotta say, this one was the best. Right, so since this video has been a lot about desserts, I thought it would be a great time for me to show you something that I like to make pretty much every night, and it just helps, like, whenever I'm craving something sweet, it helps cure that craving, and I love it. So it's really simple. I'm just gonna show you how I make it. So this is like the simplest thing ever, but it's so good. So I'm just going to add 1 serving of my protein powder, 2 servings of liquid egg whites, just a little dash of the unsweetened cashew milk. Right, vanilla flavored stevia drops, just a little, goes a long way. Also going to add in a little cinnamon and some vanilla extract. Then all I do is mix it up. Actually gonna transfer it to this dish that I sprayed with some cooking spray, just because if I don't, it like sticks to the bowl. I'm just gonna pour it in there, almost like a big brownie, and spread it out. Then I microwave it for about a minute, and it just comes out like this big brownie. And then I top it with some peanut butter and mini chocolate chips. Right now I'm using the Nuts and More chocolate maple pretzel. So bomb. Oh my gosh. And the macros on this peanut butter is really good. Enjoy life. Mini chocolate chips. These are dairy, nut, and soy free. This is just what I prefer to use. And then when I have a lot of carbs to play with on high carb day, then I will usually have like enlightened ice cream along with it. When I have a low carb day, then I make my own protein ice cream, which if you want to see the recipe for mine, leave a comment below. I make this protein ice cream that legit tastes like a Wendy's freaking Frosty. So that's how I pretty much cure a sweet tooth whenever I'm having one. These, and then the protein brownies and blondies that I showed you before, my enlightened ice cream, keeps me Gucci through my cuts. Right? So, oh, I wanted to also update you guys on the progress right now. So I weighed myself and I am 17 pounds down. Alright, so that is gonna be it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I will see you at the next video.